Meet Randy, a hardworking factory worker from Wisconsin. Like many of us, Randy didn't have a college degree, nor was he a certified accountant or financial planner. But something remarkable happened in 2023 that changed Randy's financial outlook forever. Randy paid off a staggering $19,300 of his debt. And here's the kicker. Despite facing rising interest rates, Randy managed to drastically reduce the amount of interest he paid. At the beginning of the year, Randy's interest rate was 9.3%. By December, it had increased to 10.05%. Under traditional terms, he should have paid over $1,800 in interest. But thanks to a different approach, Randy's interest paid in 2023 was only $532.29. So how did Randy do it? Randy learned to handle his debt like a banker instead of a consumer. He discovered the power of chasing the balance instead of obsessing over interest rates. He realized that education goes much farther than mere advice. And now, Randy wants to share his knowledge with you.
Would you like to learn how to achieve financial freedom like me? No college degree, CPA, or CFP required. If you want to be as smart as me, visit truthandequity.com. Take control of your finances today. You have the power to change your financial future. Visit Truth and Equity and run your own numbers. CLB is transformative. I'm living proof.